everyone, this is Dimitri again. And yes, it is that time when we are going to visit my renovated house and the condo that I was talking about the other video. So yeah, let's go check it out, and don't forget like and subscribe down below so for more content, and let's do it. We are right in the house right now, so well, let's flip it. Let's see what's going on there. And that's what we get for renovating the house. So I have just put in the new floors here. There, pretty much everything is renovated, so it's a lot of good stuff. Look at the shoe molding here. So that's totally new floor. It was really expensive kill, but it was worth it because I put the luxury laminate and anti-scratch, and so there's no holes, nothing, no problem here. So it was just renovated, and I put the blinds here. As you can see, well, I did not change the windows, but I just put the white blinds here, and it looks awesome. So yeah, new outlets, new everything. So new floor. So this is the dining room or dining area, so to speak. So for that area, I have pretty much just colored, just painted everything from the same creamy kind of style, and yeah, it came out pretty nicely. And right now we are getting into the kitchen. So it's completely new kitchen. Everything is new except for dishwasher and the stove, but they are in a really good condition. So this is kitchen backsplash. Backsplash came out pretty nicely. I actually thinking it was different to the different style, but was not really necessary. So that one came together. That one really came together. It was really nice. So it's regular countertop. It is not the granite countertop, however, it looks kind of like it, but it's definitely, I was really short on time because of that, and I couldn't really do a lot there, and couldn't really buy the one that is necessary. So I was really short on time because guess what, I already got a tenant and they are moving in like today. So today is Sunday. I'm recording it like literally today, and yeah, so came out very nicely. So pretty much all set. I did not change washer and dryer, but I was thinking, well, they're in good condition, they're working, and they're fine. So let's get right into the first bathroom. So I have really replaced pretty much most of the stuff. So also gray cabinetry, new faucet, new everything. So this looks good. So I will check there right away. So we'll put a couple of things here, and so the cabinetry here, and this is the shower. Actually bathtub that the people would put. So that was really dirty from the last video if I put it in there, but that's a new bathtub. We basically replaced it and called it a day. So there's a cabinetry here, or the closet here, so nothing really to see. So there's another bedroom here. So remember guys, there was a hole in the wall here. Everything was pretty much nuts, and right now it's pretty neat and tight. Yeah, I didn't really differentiate the color, as you can see, but you know, I was really kind of short on time, and my decision making process was kind of like, hey, let's do it fast, and let's do it quick and nice. And yeah, it's pretty much because it's a rental, so I didn't really want to spend so much you know, energy and power to go through all of that. So another bedroom. So the floors are the same, as you can see. Another thing that I have put in here, well, nothing pretty much. So we covered the holes here, so there's new blinds, and yeah, the windows are the same, as you can see, but they kind of blend together pretty nicely with the floor and everything. So I think it's kind of, even though it's old windows, they kind of rustic and used, it's kind of actually pretty nicely. So, and this is the bedroom, another bathroom, and yeah, so this is the shower, and so also gray cabinetry, nothing crazy. I pretty much put everything the same. Like I said, it's rental purposes, type toilet, and shower cabin, shower closet here is like this. So it's kind of rounded, as you can see, but that was the whole purpose, because I wanted to free up some space, but it looks amazing. So this is the actual old cabinetry. You might have actually seen it's from the old video, what I had before, but we just cleaned it up, and you know, we said, you know what, it looks good, there's no problem here, you know what, let's just keep it. So, and you know, in the rentals you want to kind of keep as much as you can, and you know, just clean it up really. You know, it's functional, it's clean. If it's clean, it looks nice, it's pretty good condition, and yeah, so that's pretty much for the tour really. So it's how it looks like right now, and yeah, so it's very nice. The ceiling here, it's recessed light almost everywhere, except for the hallway here. So and yeah, so new smoke detectors, everything. It's gotta have to be by the county rules and everything. So, but yeah, so everything is the same. So that was just complete. So nothing to worry about. But yeah, so recessed lighting, and it was the key. So it's kind of like, you know, kind of eye-opening for the people to see. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the house, and that's how it guys looks like now as it's renovated. As I know you guys asked me about it, how it's gonna look like and all that. So all the painted the door and everything, so it looks amazing. So yeah guys, this is the house that pretty much what I did with the house, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So it took me a month and a half to do all that. It was a fantastic experience. It was, yeah, sometimes, you know, I was just spending money like back and forth, just smash, but just do it. And since I was on the clock, and my tenants like moving in today at 12 o'clock, so I given them the key. They already signed the lease. It's a grand total, and it was a great experience. So I think, so the total come out, I think if you guys interested, I think it's 2,100 for the month, and yeah, it was fantastic. So it was a good deal, and I liked it. And yeah, so if you guys interested in more videos, like and subscribe down below. So then, my name is Dmitry, your boy is out, and yeah, as my boys had said, MTV Crib, show up. But yeah, nonetheless, see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed this video, and Dmitry signing out.